We're in Barkerville, which is this historic mining town where they've restored a lot of the buildings and turned them into B&Bs. It's only about 40 miles outside of Quesnel, which is on the main highway, so it's a little detour for a side trip. Super cute. Still plenty of snow here. They get 30 feet of snow a year, so where it's been plowed into piles, we still have a lot of them, even though it's the middle of May here. Ah! Hey! Look how sweet. Serenity made Poppy a heart instead of making a snowball to throw at him.
So nice.
Serenity's happy she found enough snow to build a snowman.
I moved him over here so then he wouldn't melt.
Barkerville is very cool. Most of these buildings have businesses that operate them in the summertime. We are here in the middle of May. They don't open until about June 3rd, and then they'll be open for 100 days, which will put them into the middle of September.